guys, welcome back to my channel. We are passionate about helping people with business and accounting. In today's video, I want to talk about the PPP tax adjustment. So if you're interested, keep on watching. So a very common question right now is, how do I report this tax adjustment on my books? So here's the deal. First, I want to cover who has to make this adjustment. If you are a sole proprietor, a single member LLC with no employees, meaning you do not issue a W-2, you don't receive a W-2, and you don't issue a W-2 to anyone, then you do not have to make this tax adjustment. So it's my understanding that the tax adjustment is only for S corporations, C corporations, partnerships, or single member LLCs that have W-2 employees. Now remember, there's a difference between a W-2 employee and a 1099 contract worker. So this is specific to W-2 employees. Now basically what this tax adjustment is, it's going to adjust your net income. Now, like I've mentioned in previous videos, the IRS is telling us we don't have to report the forgiveness amount as other income, but at the same time, they're saying we cannot take the expenses that we use the forgiveness PPP money for. So we have to go in and create what we call a contra account in accounting world. But basically what you need to know about this account, it's basically going to be a negative amount in other expenses. And remember, even if you have not received determination from the SBA about forgiveness, we still have to report this in 2020. So even if you don't apply for forgiveness until 2021, you still have to make this tax adjustment on your tax return. Now, I've been working with a few clients and doing this adjustment, and unfortunately, it really does affect your net income. So let's say you received $100,000 in PPP and $100,000 gets forgiven. Well, now on your P&L, if you were negative, 50,000 for the year, and once you make this tax adjustment, you're now positive 50,000. So you can see where it is going to affect a lot of businesses who were projecting a net loss will now have to pay taxes on the net income. So there are going to be tax ramifications for people with this tax adjustment. The next thing I want to talk about are dates. I want you guys to be aware of some of these dates. Now, I've said in previous videos, to let's hold off on applying for forgiveness because we want to see what Congress does and if they, get rid of this tax adjustment or whatever. But now we're getting closer to needing to apply for forgiveness. So I want you guys to keep some of these key dates in mind. Payments for your PPP loan start 12 months after the disbursement date. And interest started to accrue on this loan the date of disbursement. So it might be time for a lot of you guys to get your information in order to apply for forgiveness. Your bank has 60 days to review your application, and then the SBA has 90 days to review your application. So we could be 3 months in from the disbursement date. So if you receive PPP in April or May, you're starting to get close to when your payments will start. So I recommend that no later than January, you guys start applying for PPP forgiveness. Now, I'm considering doing another PPP bookkeeping video. I think the one that I have on my channel is back from March when this whole thing kind of rolled out, and I thought this was probably the best way to record PPP. I do it differently for every client. So not every client's books are the same. So my PPP bookkeeping for client A may be different than client B. It just depends on the need of the business. But I can do a general updated PPP video for you guys if that's something you're interested. If it is, please leave a comment down below that you want to see that video. And I'm also considering doing another PPP bookkeeping forgiveness entry video. So leave a comment down below if you want to see that. I want to know what you guys are struggling with as far as PPP, what questions you have. So leave a comment down below and I will be sure to do videos on those types of things. Like I said, PPP It's been crazy. It's been a roller coaster ride. Things are always changing. And one thing we know is for sure, you have to apply for forgiveness. You need to know what your PPP calculation is, regardless of what application you choose to use for applying for forgiveness. If you have questions specific to your business, go ahead and schedule a consult call with me. It's very, very affordable. For an hour, we talk, we review your books, we get to know you as a person and really try to help you one-on-one, which I think is important because like I said, guys, I can do a general PPP bookkeeping video, but it's not specific to your individual needs. It's very generalized for a massive audience. If you want specific help, one-on-one help, click the link down below, schedule a call with me, and let's get you taken care of. So that's really it. I wanted to just do this quick video to give you guys sort of an update of what's going on with the Paycheck Protection Program and for you guys to start getting everything in order to apply for forgiveness. I hope you found this video informative and interesting. If you did, please consider subscribing to our channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.